In this video, you are going to see how to put two images side by side in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me select this image and click on Insert. Then the image will be inserted. Now click on over here, go to Wrap Text and click on in front of text. Now let us reduce its size and place it like this. If you put this one side by side, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it over here. Now select it, hold down the Ctrl key and select this one, click on right button and click on group, then group it. Now you can move it or you can keep it anywhere in your Word document. Use another picture over here. Go to Insert, Picture, this device. Suppose I want to put this one, click on Insert. Now click on over here, go to Wrap Text, click on in front of text. You will see the size 3.28 and 3.28. I have to make it. Click on Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and click on 1:1 and place it like this. Now make the size 3.28 and 3.28. Now place it like this. And this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.